Focus is back on India. In the city of Bengaluru, it's potholes that have actually swallowed the roads. And what we are seeing is politics now exploding. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has promised that there will be very swift repairs that will take place. In fact, has also handed out 1 month deadline. But BJP at the moment is smelling political mileage. They've now announced that there will be a statewide road roko stir. The BJP is planning to block roads in the city of Bengaluru and across the state of Karnataka. This as the part of the protest which will now be demanding that there should be better infrastructure. In fact, we are also now seeing how various BJP MLAs have declared that if the government will not be fulfilling the potholes, it's the opposition which is saying that BJP is ready to pave the way and the opposition will now make sure that the roads are pothole free. But this is something that the Congress is not taking lying down. The Deputy Chief Minister, D.K. Shivkumar, has hit back hard. He's alleging that this is just a conspiracy. He said roads would have been better if BJP had done the job properly because it was the BJP government earlier. And then when we speak about various constituencies, it looked less like a tech hub and more like a war zone. Congress is now saying that there is several report cards that they have and boasting of the crores that has been spent on metro lines, flyovers, lakes and drains. But they are saying that the reality is very different. The BJP says on the ground, you only see potholes, you see floods, you see foaming lakes and the daily gridlock. This is all that they are saying should be called for an audit.
ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮುಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ 200 ಹೆಚ್ಚು 1000 ಅಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ದೆಹಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ದೆಹಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೆಷ್ಟು ಗುಡ್ಡಿಗಳಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮನೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಐಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಕಾಲದಿಂದನೂ ಮೊದಲು ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ.